Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. Let's go through question 49 of the top 50 ALJ trick questions. Here we go. The judge will ask, so you smoke marijuana, I see, on the medical diagnostic impression. Now, here's what they're thinking. Do you have a medical marijuana card? Do you smoke it responsibly? Older judges usually don't want to see the benefits go towards pot. I'm just giving you a heads up. Do you smell like it in the hearing room? That's not usually good. Are you talking about it like it's the miracle drug that hardcore prescribed drugs couldn't fix? That's not usually good as well. Look, a lot of you guys that are potheads, marijuana users, Mary Jane lovers, whatever, I don't care. A lot of you guys tend to get on your high horse because this is your like moment of like, you know, transgression into I am what I should have been and I now legally can be that person, where you're like, ha ha ha, pot has become legal so long as I pay to get my card and blah 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 blah, and they agree and I get the pay medicine, cha cha cha. Look, here's the thingy about that with my super squeaky chair. Most judges are older. They are. The youngest judge is still older than me. I used to be 7 years ago the youngest attorney doing this stuff. Now I ain't even close to being the youngest. There are people going in there that I'm just like, wow, or other attorneys. There's attorneys going in there. Now I used to be the youngest attorney. I'm not longer anymore. That are way younger than me, you know. And but I am the youngest attorney that, to my knowledge, owns his own law firm and has owned his own law firm and has a successful law firm and you know, works all the time. And yep. So with that said, most of them are older, and older people, marijuana, they don't mix super duper well, and that's kind of a problem for you guys because, let's call it like it is, some of you guys get in your high horse, your soapbox, and you're oh, it's amazing, it's the best thing I've ever used. You know, sometimes I take it and like all my pain goes away, and then the judge is going, great, then why can't you do a job? Don't go down that path. Don't be that idiot. Some of you are going to be that idiot, and I applaud you for your attempt at filling the role that we obviously needed to have filled in society, and I love you for it, but don't be that idiot if you're my client. So that way I can get paid because there's stuff I want to do. Boat stuff. Anyways, let's go to question 50, but first, if you have any questions, you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Give me a call, shoot me an email. Now, also, 4/9/2020, I will be starting every Thursday from that day forward, being live on YouTube. You can call me at 8 p.m. 407-279-1754. It's in the description, yada yada. And I will run questions with you as if you were going to a hearing. You don't have to be my client for me to run questions with you. I'm going to beat you up. I'm going to beat you up because I have a lot of unbridled anger from having to do this stuff all the time, and I'm just going to use it on you guys. But it will teach you throughout this process how to deal with the evils of the world that which are causing you sadness. It'll also prep you for this upcoming hearing that you have at OHO with an ALJ, Administrative Law Judge, for your SSI or SSDI benefits. Yay. All right. We are now coming up to question 50 of the 50 top tricky questions that an ALJ might be asking you. I'll meet you at the video. Catch you later. Bye-bye.